second. Okay, we're good. Should we do the quiz? Do you guys have questions?
No, I have no questions.
Okay, let's just do it.
The lesson 4 group quiz.
It's loading.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Do you guys start it? Oh.
Yep. Okay, so number 3.
Okay. Do you want me to read it?
Sure.
Human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Use this data to answer the following questions. The blood types and proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. So if we add them all up and they equal 1, then we're good?
Yeah. Okay, it's true. Yep. Okay, number 2 or 4. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? 0.45.
Do you think we need to put 0.45?
Yeah, I would.
Oh, okay. I'm on it. Got it. Okay.
What is the probability that a random selected person will not have type O blood?
So you have to do 1 minus.
Yeah. So 0.55. 0.55.
0.45?
0.55.
Oh, that's what you're saying. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you're saying that was anyway. So. Okay. Caroline Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to the specimen derived from the bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a patient identified as a bladder cancer patient. Answer the following questions. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient?
Okay, so it would just be 1 divided by 7?
Yeah.
Because there's 7 bowls, whatever.
Yeah.
There's only 1, yeah. .14. So it says round to the 3 decimal places. Yeah.
So 0.143.
Yep.
Okay. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random choice alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? There's little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. This provides strong evidence. So, 22 divided by 54 is 0.41. I would say there's strong evidence.
Yeah.
That's a lot more than...
Yeah. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. You should know.
What?
The M&M's website previously indicated that in the United States, distribution of the cards in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? So,
Wasn't it? Yeah.
I can't hear you, Abby.
Would it just be the, oh, because I'm not sure. Okay, I'll turn off the mic.
Wouldn't it just be the 0.13?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, better.
What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? So don't we just have to add them all up and then subtract?
From 1, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you add them all up, it's 0.84, so then 1 minus 0.84 is 0.16.
Awesome.
0.16.
Okay, what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? So that would just be the 0.84.
There you go. I'm like already.
Okay, the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States are taken from CapEx.com. The following summary statistics will answer the following question. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
So it would just be the median, right? Because that's the middle.
Yeah.
So 24.
The 24.
24.
Hmm.
Okay.
Right. Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? So that's the first quartile, right?
The third, because it's the top 25.
Oh, gotcha.
All 3 is 75. Yeah, so it would be 27, right?
It'd be 27.
Yeah.
Also, it'd be 75%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay, and the last one, which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The first one, unless you guys don't have the same order. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is...
Yeah, no.
That's not true.
Sweet. Are we cool with all the answers?
Yeah, cool.
I think so. Alrighty, we got 100.
Killing it.
Okay, wait, real quick. On 11, was it 24 for the median or 24.3?
24.
Yeah, 24.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yay!
Good job, guys.
Okay. We'll meet again on Thursday. Something.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Best group ever.